Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 16 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to focus on the power of the warrior positions, Virabhadrasana A and B, named after a great Hindu warrior in the pantheon of yogic gods. So we're going to be channeling that kind of energy. So coming to comfortable seated or standing, whichever you prefer. Begin with the opening chant. Take a few moments to feel grounded. Connect with the breath. And then take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charnaravinda Samdashti Satsva Sabara Bodhe Nishteyase Jankai Kaimani Samsalahala Moha Shantiye Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvrasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. Coming to Samastitihi, I'm going to continue from seated. For those of you doing these options, just a little reminder really. So go Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Hands to the floor if you're standing. Inhale to lengthen, lift the chest. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. 1, so focus on the breath. 2, if you're seated, you can just bring the fingertips down in front of you. Keep the back rounded, that's it. 3, if you're on all fours, just let the head dangle. 4, and 5. Look forward, inhale, come through. Exhale to fold, let the head dangle. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. And round 2, I'll do from the next base. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. 1, 2, if you're on all fours, we're an extended child. 3, if we're in downward dog, feel free to bring your knees down. 4, if you're seated, just let the head dangle. And 5, look forwards, inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, let go of the head. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. Okay, Surya Namaskar B, are we ready? Inhale, sit back. Remember your options. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice, good. Exhale to fold. Right leg, inhale, right leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Might do a mini dip. Inhale to lift and sink through the pelvis. Exhale to dog. Wardrobe adjustment. Left side, inhale, left leg, palms touch. Make sure the knees over the ankle. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift, drop the shoulders. Exhale to dog. 1, focus on the breath, see where you can relax. 2, so if you normally do from standing. 3, but you're just having one of those days or you need to slow down, then this is a great option. 4, you practice never needs to stop, it can just change. And 5, look forwards, inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, let the head down low. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Good. So if you're down here, I'd like you to come through to downward dog. And then if you're standing, also come through to downward dog, and we'll take the warriors from here. So your Virabhadrasana A, bring the left heel in, Charlie Chaplin style. So heel in, toes out to the side, look forward. Inhale, step through with the right leg. If that's a big ask, take the back of the knee and help the leg through. Stabilize, so square the hips. That's it, bend the front knee. And then inhale, lift up. So to really focus on the lower body initially, stability through the lower body. From here, you might press the palms together. 1. Good. Breath and bandha. 2. If that feels okay on your arms, you might take the hands up. 3. Palms can be parallel and you can look straight ahead. So again, see how your neck feels. If you want to bring the palms together, 4. Sink a bit deeper, palms come together and lift the gaze to the thumbs. And 5. From here, inhale, straighten the leg, keep the arms where they are, wherever they are, pivot the feet. Exhale, so step out to the left side, square the hips, rebend Virabhadrasana A to the left side, entering. 1. So this is my favorite position with the palms floating. Just create some space in the shoulders. 2, choose what's best for you. Might be prayer hands, can even be hands on the hips. 3, I know you're starting to feel your legs, me too. 4, keep your drishti, might be thumbs or straight ahead. Strong breathing. 5, now from here we open out into warrior 2. So you take a little step back, open the right hip and take the arms out at shoulder height, the classical warrior position. Check your knees tracking towards your little toe. 1, press into the back heel, lift the back inner thigh. Again, you can bring hands to hips. 2, if the arms are out, then gaze down the tips of the longest fingers and beyond. 3, drop your shoulders, good, but lift your chest. 4, you want to sink deeper, really work those legs, feel free. 5, inhale, straighten the back leg, pivot, keep the arms where they are, keep the arms up if you can. Exhale, bending into the right side. 1, so do a little check of the arm position if you wish. 2, if the arms start to tire, then just bring them down, that's okay. 3, but if you can live with it, you'll really start to build some strength through your shoulders and your legs. 4, try and make peace with the discomfort you can feel. Try not to run away from it. 5, now from here, on the exhale, you windmill the arms down. If you've been practicing from standing, if you haven't, you come down to your base that you've chosen. If you're in standing, you step back into plank position, go knees down plank, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice, exhale to dog. Inhale, step dog or jump through to seated. Good. And here we are, the final 3 already. Virabhadrasana, arms behind the back. Choose your leg position. Inhale to lift. Exhale, folding. 1. Back of the neck stays long. 2. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Draw the lower abdominals in. That really helps. 3. It stabilizes you. And it facilitates the forward bend. 4. Don't get too hung up on how far forward you can fold. 5, remember your drishti, tip of the nose and beyond. 6, the key thing is to surrender. 7, the longer you practice, the more you realize it's about surrender, not effort. 8, for now it can feel pretty difficult, so you kind of 9, just go with that, but eventually it does get easier. 10. Inhale, lift up, squeeze the pelvic floor. Exhale, Padmasana, classic yogi posture. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. If this position doesn't suit, no, you can stretch your legs out. 2. You can be in half lotus or full lotus if that's in your body and very easy for you. 3. Keep the same drishti, focus. 4. making the chest a big vessel for breath. 5, remember these straight lines of energy, straight fingers. 6, 7, breathe deeply. 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utplutihi, remember your options. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1, 2, don't worry if you can't get airborne. 3, just try. 4, keep breathing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 5, good, look straight ahead. 6, that's it, smile. Pretend you're enjoying yourself. 7, 8, you can do it. Stay strong. If you go down, come back up. 9, come back up. And 10, exhale, release. Well done. Ease out the wrists as you need to. Go to final vinyasa to freedom. Remember, you can do this seated, or you can step, or even jump back if you're feeling energetic. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through, step, jog, or jump. And lay all the way down. Yay. So if you feel you need to bring your knees in, that's fine. Come to rest position of choice. If it's different to this one, that's also fine. Take a big inhale. Exhale. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one. Big inhale. Exhale. Taking a few moments to rest and integrate the practice, feeling that flow of prana, going into any areas which need healing or attention, resting for a short time. You want to stay longer, feel free. Otherwise, deepen the breath. Bringing movements to fingers and toes as you move the head slowly from side to side. And then take an inhale for a full body stretch. And exhale. Bending at the knees and the elbows. Gather the knees in for a squeeze and a hug. Have a rock. Roll over to one side. Drop the bones heavy into the floor. Cultivate a moment of gratitude. And then carefully lever yourself up to comfortable seated. Sit tall, lift the heart space, lengthen the spine. And bring the hands to Anjali Mudra as we bow the head. Give thanks for our health and our practice. And then inhale to lift the prayer hands up. And exhale, Namaste. So well done, everybody, for day 16. Good job. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.